Just so you know, the Continental M7 has a fabulous new app called AcuSpark. It's a free download in the Apple Store, and it is positively amazing. This is even better than having an instruction manual handy, because anytime you need more information about a stitch, a function, or a feature on the machine, you simply open the AcuSpark app and scan in the QR code on the screen. It brings up all kinds of menus and answers any question that you might have. No kidding, this is more information than you could possibly ever use, but it's all there for you in plain English so you can make all the adjustments and customizations that you want. It tells you about inserting the bobbin, threading the machine, or simply making adjustments to each stitch. Anything you need to know, simply scan that QR code and you are good to go. Just so you know.